formally sent off in 2019. Algorand is a troublesome undertaking that looks to address how digital currencies have been generally planned. It looks to grow the utilization cases by speeding up exchange speed, diminishing the exchange time, and overhaul security in a decentralized way. Algorand is remarkable in that it circulates the ALGO cryptographic money it brings into economy with each new block to everybody holds a specific measure of the cash in its wallet, further permitting clients to make brilliant agreements and tokens for both new and existing resources. Algorand means to tackle the three primary issues looked by blockchains today, known as the blockchain trilemma: security, adaptability, and decentralization. In Algorand's agreement calculation known as unadulterated evidence of stake, the security to the organization is attached to the greater part's genuineness. This basically implies there is no approval system like in the designated verification of stake or fluid evidence of stake. Rather than rebuffing troublemakers, Algorand selects to make cheating ugly. Endeavors by a minority of the cash are totally unthinkable, and duping by the larger part moronic. Given 2/3 or the greater part tells the truth, the convention is great to run. These highlights effectively pulled in a seriously huge number of adventure financial backers to early confidential deals of Algo led to support the task's development. Organizer behind Algorand, Silvio Micali, an alum of math at the La Sapienza College of Rome and a PhD degree holder in software engineering from the College of California, Berkeley, established Algorand. He fills in as a PC researcher at MIT Software Engineering and Man-Made Brainpower Lab, zeroing in his examination on cryptography and data security. Silvio Micali has many honors and notices his credit, most remarkably the Turing grant due to significant developments worked around his exploration in cryptography, zero information, secure conventions, and system plan. He is one of the individuals who established the groundworks of current cryptography. In the event that you had the choice to eliminate one from decentralization, versatility, and security, which could you eliminate? As per Vitalik Buterin, the organizer behind Ethereum, a blockchain can have a limit of 2 of these 3 properties. This records for the sluggish idea of exchanges on the blockchain. This idea is known as the blockchain trilemma. The blockchain trilemma proposes that it is extremely difficult for a venture to have every one of the 3 highlights to a good level. 2 is conceivable, however 3, not really conceivable. A decentralized and exceptionally got organization wouldn't be versatile. A decentralized and versatile blockchain will have little security, and a blockchain that is adaptable and profoundly got wouldn't be sufficiently decentralized. Versatility is a significant issue on most digital currency blockchains. Most digital currency projects find it very interesting to deal with big quantities of exchanges while guaranteeing network decentralization and security. This is the most well-known instance of the blockchain trilemma at work. Algorand is doing things any other way by picking an unadulterated verification of stake agreement system. The component utilizes an alternate methodology contrasted with different changes of the POS system. This intends that as opposed to requiring 100% agreement from every one of the approving gatherings, Algorand runs with a 66% larger part agreement. To go after the Algorand framework, you should possess more than 33% of the all-out supply of Algorand. Aside from the way that it is uneconomical holding an enormous stake of the inventory, it likewise implies that you have a ton to lose assuming that the undertaking turns out badly. Algorand's mystery ingredient, cryptographic sortition. Algorand utilizes a lottery to section blocks development into 2 stages. These lotteries are known as cryptographic sortition. The cryptographic sortition empowers the quick irreversibility of an exchange, and you will not need to hang tight for 20+ affirmation before you realize an exchange occurred. The 2 stages are 1. Proposal stage. Here, a solitary token is haphazardly chosen, and its proprietor proposes the following blocks. Nonetheless, this proposer is covered up and is simply known to the entire organization during the proliferation stage when it is past the point of no return for anybody to meddle. In unadulterated POS, each token is similarly ready to be chosen. 2. Voting round. In this cycle, a board of trustees of proprietors of 1,000 irregular tokens is chosen, supporting the block proposed by the principal client. As opposed to the proper panel framework in many confirmation of work or verification of stake blockchains, this irregular choice of the board individuals makes the convention very secure. The suddenness guarantees they don't have any idea who to target. How to stake Algorand. Partaking in the Algorand stage as a block proposer is very simple. Anybody can begin by simply changing their location from disconnected to online on the Algo Explorer. Fortunately, this choice doesn't rely upon how much Algo tokens marked. All you really want is to stake its ALGO token and have the hubs on the web. The Algorand stage upholds 2 kinds of hubs, transfer and interest. The transfer hubs further develop correspondence between support hubs yet don't partake in casting a ballot or navigation. They are additionally equipment serious contrasted with member hubs. Is Algo a wise venture? Algorand is by all accounts decisively situated to prevail in the crypto world. Albeit this is as yet another task, it is as yet worth looking as it develops and creates in the business. Algorand cost forecast 2025 in light of the information and contentions spread out over a cost of a LGO token in 2025 could be in the $10 minus $20 territory. A drawn-out sensible gauge, $17.67 Algorand cost forecast 2030. There are 2 or 3 laws of human advancement that keep us from feeling that Algorand will be what its holders expect and trust it to be. Those are first-mover benefit and solidification and ensuing syndication. A first-mover benefit can be basically characterized as a company's capacity to be in an ideal situation than its rivals because of being first to showcase in another item class. Imposing business model is what is going on in which a solitary organization or gathering claims all or practically all of the market for a given sort of item or administration. Both of the peculiarities we notice above support Ethereum, and we don't believe that will change in the mid and long-haul future. We are as yet not certain on the off chance that Algorand and comparative task truly do have a drawn-out future, and a LGO token could be worth 0 of every 2030 as the undertaking probably won't exist by then. Odds are thin in our eyes for that to occur as Algorand carries novel innovation arrangements alongside a clamoring local area which assures its place among the crypto survivors in the years to come. Is Algorand worth putting resources into? Algorand is a phenomenal venture for the present moment when the market is in the bull run. Typically, these kinds of more current tasks do remarkable well when the in general crypto market is in the green and they outflank other better-known projects by a ton. Notwithstanding, make a point to leave them in time as they will quite often get a beating during going and bear market cycles. For what reason will Algorand succeed? Since it proposes a significant help, it previously constructed a name for itself in its specialty and experienced no security breaks or different sorts of compromises. The symbolic itself gives utility and appears to be legit, which isn't true with numerous other comparable undertakings. For what reason will Algorand come up short? Algorand could fall flat in view of the furious contest, dynamic mechanical field and rocket speed advancements in its specialty. One more typical explanation this kind of undertaking comes up short is group issues. Either the group parts or by and large leaves the task. Will Algorand reach $10? That is inside the genuine of probability, even in the momentary period. It could reach $10 soon. Might Algorand at any point reach $100? Algorand will more likely than not reach $100 soon, except if we see a face-softening bull run that will see Bitcoin at $100 K and ETH at $20 K. Most decentralized frameworks are powerless to organize assaults. The focus is on the correspondence joins between clients. He could segment the organization into secluded pieces so just individuals from one piece can speak with one another and not with different pieces. The enemy likewise has complete command over the items and the messages and their timing. This makes going against exchanges be acknowledged by various clients, permitting the enemy to twofold spend their cash. Conversely, during an organization parcel in Algorand, it is difficult to persuade 2 fair clients to acknowledge 2 distinct blocks for a similar round regardless of when the segment endures. When a block shows up, it is